Hi, I'm Philip Pilkington. I'm a photographer and videographer, and this is the Lensbaby Omni creative filter system, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to try it out on some different lenses, and we're going to see what sort of effects this gives, but stay tuned to the end because we're going to find out more about this and how it can help you. Okay, so the packaging seems alright. It means it's not the colours I'd expect it to be, but it feels okay. So I'm going to just try and get it open now. Okay, so this is actually the first time that I've used this equipment and I've put it on my camera, so I am actually figuring it out as I go. These little magnets, they're actually quite strong, these things, as you can I'll try and show you in the video. So they are quite handy for keeping the little modifiers on the actual camera. The arms, they don't move around perfectly. They are good. They're good for moving around. But yeah, sometimes when you want to go around full circle, they're a little bit restrictive. This is just an example. This is like a test shot for myself. But you know, I saw a use for these sort of filter kits, the Omni filter kit. But yeah, I do see this is why I like it. I like these sort of little flares and these little shapes that you can just add into the frame. Only through experimenting myself did I actually find that the best look is shell depth of field. Now it is a problem for this shot because I didn't want shell depth of field. As you can see here, this is the final shot, everything's in focus. I had to do a shot of the shapes that I was creating with the Omni kit at shell depth of field and add them in later to a fully in focus shot. I mean, you don't have to do it like that, but it's what I find works the best. Yes, again, this is me out on location testing to see what this looks like rather than that little studio setting. Interested in the abstract shapes that you can add, but as you can see on this, sometimes it's too much. Sometimes there's too much of a block added into the frames. That's why you just have to keep on tweaking, keep playing around. Like I said before, depending on the aperture, so if you were to do a shot, say f22, you can obviously see more, it's coming more into focus, these objects that you put in front of the lens. So shallow depth of field is the best use for this type of kit. I went to this location because I have been here before. I did do some quite nice looking photography. So I'm moving the camera around just to show you, because this can get used for video as well. Yeah, it just shows you what sort of effects that you're actually getting, because it could change as the camera moves. But it's pretty consistent, and yeah, I'm walking into shot now, but I couldn't see what this is going to look like, so I didn't know that I'm hardly visible really. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what this is like. Maybe this is too much. So yeah, this is my previous shot to show you why I actually went there in the first place. And this is my setup that I used, and show you what sort of results that I got from the setup and what it looks like. Yes, this is before and after self-portraits. So this is before. I'm shooting in a flat profile and a colour grade afterwards. But yeah, it's quite subtle with it. If you don't do too much, it's quite good results. Again, this is why I went there, and this is me going there when it's a different time of year. So again, this is no filters. This is just a fairly generic landscape. I've added the Omni kit filters afterwards just to show you what can be done. So I hope you liked the video where I go through, talk about how this kit can be useful. I think it is useful, and I got a fair bit of discount when I was looking out for this. So yeah, if you just sort of be quite savvy, this sort of kit is never going to be like urgent. So you can just sort of hang around, wait for the offers, maybe even look for a used one. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the kit, and I think I'm gonna keep using it. But if you did find this useful, then please give us a like, give us a comment, or subscribe to my channel to hear more about photography and video equipment and how-to videos. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.